Hi there, this is Watson from 911 Studios. Today we're going to take a look at the XS Power D3400 XS Series 12 volt 3300 amp AGM high output battery with M6 terminal bolt. That is a mouthful, but this lead acid battery is made for performance and racing, and the AGM is the absorbed glass mat, which means you can mount this in just about any position. And it's got ultra low internal resistance, it's spill proof, sealed, and valve regulated, and vibration resistance. So go nuts. It's got 314 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.7 out of 5. High performance indeed. And if you like excess power but need a slightly different specification such as voltage or amperage, check out XS Power's other batteries on the listing. Chances are they've got what you need. So now let me share with you a helpful review from verified purchaser David W. XS Power D3400. Holy moly power Batman, this battery is awesome. If you're in the market to buy a battery, whether it's for upgrading your sound system or to simply replace your old battery, then this is it. It's going to last 10 plus years, it's a direct fit, and it's durable. Oh yeah. This bad boy is hefty. It bolts right on like a champ. It comes with the M6 terminal bolt, and you can bolt things right up. Heavy duty for sure. I've run my radio with the car off with a big sound system for over an hour, and my car just started right up. Nice. So there you go. If you're looking for extreme and long-lasting performance in a battery, check out this XS Power 12 volt battery today. You're gonna love it.